guys, so my name is Marina, if you guys already know. If not, hi, hello. And sorry, I'm like seeing the screen right here, said there, but I just want you guys to know that I'll be doing a cleaning video for you guys. If you guys follow me on all my social medias. Sorry, my mom is in the back if you can hear her. But this is a cleaning video for you guys, and hopefully you guys would like it. I did a little bit of my makeup because I want to feel productive and a little pretty. I still didn't cover this part of my chin because it's still healing. Please subscribe to me, and also watch my last video if you guys haven't. Also, that subscriber that I told you guys to go check her out, please comment on her channel and tell her that I sent you guys. And yeah, I'll link all of the products I have down below, and subscribe to me and click on the notification bell so you guys can see more of my videos whenever I post. And this is a long intro, so let's get started. So now we're cleaning the countertops with Mrs. Meyer's spray, surface spray, and you can see I'm cleaning the surface. Then I'm just putting away the dishes because we had dishes in the sink and that are out in the drying rack. The doors open, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. So I'm using Windex for the table because the surface is plastic, and the Mrs. Meyer's sprays doesn't work on plastic much. Where I got these products, I get it at grove.com, or go to Grove because that's where I get all my cleaning products, soaps and whatnot that I'm going to show you. I would actually make a video of this, my favorites of my cleaning stuff you guys want. So now I'm cleaning the refrigerator with a steel cleaner because my house has steel in them. The refrigerator, the oven, and the fan, and the microwave. But again, I will link everything down below where I got it from, and hope you guys love it because they have different scents, and I think the one that I showed you was honeysuckle. I love honeysuckle, but I'm out of it. But now I'm using the rose spray, which is also good as well. So I still have the white stove and this clip, but we switched out the next day because they just brought it to us yesterday. So now that we have still stove instead of a white one, and we have again, my dad changed the microwave to the same day as we changed the stove. Now I'm wiping the wooden cabinets because they need to be clean and shine, and it smells so good.
I would actually show you what I use to clean wood the wood cabinets and stuff, because we have wood in our house. This is the product that I'm using to clean the wood. I got that from Grove as well. It's Method. If you look it up in Grove, then you can actually find them on Grove, and hopefully it works for you guys, because it works for me. I don't clean the woods, the wood cabinets and tables and stuff every single day, only when they need to be shined and whatnot.
Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPEN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open, open.
Now we're in my bathroom, which you can see what product I use. It's another Method spray for a bathroom cleaner, for sinks, tubs, tiles, and toilet. I use this to do that all over the bathroom, because it smells good and it doesn't stink like other products does. But hopefully you guys understand that, like, some products stink, some doesn't, but I love this one because it's also from Method, if I didn't say that. And I'm just cleaning the sink, then you will see me clean the tub and the toilet and scrub the toilet with a product. I forgot what the name was, but I'll probably show it to you in the clip. Then you can see on the toilet that there's another product that I use. It's from Method. It's one of those sheet wipes that mostly a lot of people use a lot to wipe from countertops and everything. So I use that for bathrooms and countertops and whatnot, wherever it needs to be clean. I use that not only for bathroom but also kitchen, living room, wherever it needs cleaning, I use that. And this one I am using Swiffer sheets to wipe the baseboard. I think it's called a baseboard. If not, please correct me, because I am still learning what everything is around the house. But you can see I am cleaning that from each room that I'm going in. My room, the bathroom, my grandma's room, that is now the guest room, I guess. And then I'm gonna show you how dirty the baseboards were. Like, that's disgusting. But I hope you guys understand that. Now you will see my mom in small clips, like right here. She was cleaning the downstairs. I was cleaning upstairs because my mom stayed home today, or that day, and she wanted to clean downstairs and I clean upstairs, so I got a helper with me. I was about to do upstairs and downstairs, but instead I had my mom doing downstairs and I did the upstairs because I mostly hang out upstairs. Mostly everyone hang out upstairs more than me. And then you actually see me brooming the house. Well, mostly upstairs. Downstairs, my mom broomed downstairs too. I don't have a vacuum. I wish I did, but I don't have like a light vacuum that I can vacuum everything around the house, but I'm okay with a broom. Here I'm showing you a steam mop that I had for decades. We got this, like, well, I meant we as in like my mom's kids, me, my little sister, and my brother. We all bought this at Bath something. I forgot what it's called. Bath and Beyond, that's what it's called. I'm sorry. We bought this for my mom, I think either for her birthday or Mother's Day, I forgot. But I love this mop so much, the steam mop. It gets the floor shiny and clean, and I use a special type of bottle that I wish I did show you what it is, but I guess I didn't show you. But I use that to make the floor shiny. I pour a little bit of that and then pour a lot of water and makes the floor smells good and shiny. And I love this mop and the cleaner that goes with it. The pad that goes with it, there was two, but I don't know what happened to the other one. But you have like two pads. You can wash it, clean it wherever, and then reuse it again. I love this mop, this steam mop. I use it like all the time. Like, I'm not kidding you, I use this a lot. Okay, that's the end of my cleaning video. I only clean upstairs. Downstairs, my mom actually cleaned.
So I didn't have to do downstairs. I thought I can do upstairs and downstairs, but my mom did the other half of the work of the house. So subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video, and comment down below what's your favorite part and what other videos you guys want, and like, and click on notification bell if you haven't, please do. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.